Oh, girl, what's on your nails?
Hi guys, I'm back with another what's on my nail video, and this is what I'm giving this week. Okay, let's get into the details. The nail polish is from D&D, and I believe it's called Ash Blue, Old Blue. If it's wrong, I'll put it in the description, or I'm gonna put it in the description anyway. So I just have like a chrome iridescent finger here, just some stones right here, and some of these little, I don't know if you guys can see them, like glitter reflex here. This is what I was trying to get on my nail the last time when I was talking about it in the video. This is exactly what I was trying to get. And yeah, these are my nails for the next 2 weeks. And the other two fingers, I just left them regular. I actually was going to put some more chrome on my thumb and stuff like that, and possibly do something else on here, but yeah, I was crowded due to the holiday, so I was ready to go. So this is my nails. This is what I will be rocking for the next 2 to 3 weeks, maybe a month, depending. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. One more look up close. Bye guys.